Operators in Java. Java operators are classified as unary, one operand, binary, two operands, and ternary, three operands, and understanding their behavior is essential for writing correct expressions. Follow operator precedence, BEDMAS. And remember, prefix increments first. Postfix uses the value first. Ignoring this is where most logical mistakes happen. Mastering operators means understanding arithmetic, relational, logical, and ternary operators, along with the correct order of evaluation. In expressions like a plus 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 b, postfix uses the value first, while prefix increments first, so predicting output is impossible without tracing execution carefully. Mastering operators means understanding arithmetic, relational, logical, and ternary operators, along with the correct order of evaluation. In expressions, postfix uses the value first, while prefix increments first, so predicting output is impossible without tracing execution carefully. Binary arithmetic operators work on two operands: plus adds, minus subtracts, times multiplies, slash divides, and percent returns the remainder. In integer division, slash gives the quotient while percent gives the remainder. Confusing these two is one of the fastest ways to lose marks. Unary operators work on a single variable. Plus increases by 1, minus decreases by 1, while plus and minus indicate positive and negative values. The real trap, prefix, plus a, changes the value before use. Postfix, a++, uses the current value first. Mix this up, and your output will be wrong. Prefix, plus a, increments first, then assigns, so both a and b become 6. Change happens before the value is used. Postfix, a++, assigns first, then increments, so b gets 5 while a becomes 6. Timing is the whole game here. Relational operators compare values and always return a Boolean, true or false, forming the backbone of decision-making in programs. Never confuse equals, assignment, with equals, comparison. That single mistake can completely break your logic. And is true only when all conditions are true. Or is true if at least one condition is true, and not simply reverses the result. Java uses short-circuit evaluation, meaning it stops checking conditions once the final result is clear. Smart code saves time and performance. The ternary operator, ? Is a compact replacement for if-else, choosing one of two expressions based on a condition. Structure matters. Condition first, true result next, false result last. Get this order wrong, and your logic collapses instantly. Java requires explicit operators, so write a times b instead of a b, and use the math class, math.selquarsat, math.piabu, math.abs for complex calculations. Always group expressions with brackets and respect precedence. Sloppy translation from algebra is a guaranteed way to get wrong answers. Shorthand operators reduce noise and mistakes. Use plus equals, times equals, divide equals instead of rewriting the whole expression. A counter tracks frequency, count plus plus, while an accumulator builds totals, sum plus equals value. Mix them up, and your logic collapses fast. Initialize before using. An accumulator usually starts at 0. Skipping this is rookie-level carelessness. Write loops like a professional. Counter controls iterations. Accumulator captures results. Brackets rule everything. If you don't control them, the compiler will, and you probably won't like the result. Unary to multiplication/division to addition/subtraction. Memorize this latter, or keep writing wrong outputs. Relational and equality come after math. Calculate first, compare later. Beginners reverse this and break logic. Logical and beats or. And is checked before or, so stop guessing and evaluate properly. Assignment happens last. The value is finalized before it gets stored. Misunderstanding this creates silent bugs. Same precedence? Go left to right. No creativity here, just discipline. Postfix uses first, then changes. A ++ gives 5, then quietly moves A to 6. Prefix changes first, then uses. ++ jumps A to 7 before contributing the value. Don't skim mixed operators. Evaluation runs left to right, so each step mutates the same variable. Final result is 18, but memory ends at 6. Output and variable state are not always the same thing. Mixing ++ and - in one line is a trap for sloppy thinking. Trace it step by step, or expect wrong answers. Rule for serious coders. If you need a diagram to understand your expression is too messy. Postfix lies to your face. A++ uses 4 first, then bumps A to 5. Don't forget the memory change. Prefix doesn't wait. ++ pushes A to 6 before using it, so the expression pulls a higher value. Plus equals secretly reads the old value first. The original A, 4, is added to the expression result. Math becomes 4 + 4 + 6 equals 14. Final memory of A is 14, not 6. Hard truth. Packing increments inside assignments is sloppy coding. Split it into steps if you actually want predictable logic. Integer division is ruthless. 5 divided by 2 gives 2, not 2.5. Java chops the decimal without mercy. Stop solving left to right blindly. Multiplication outranks addition, so 4 + 5 times 2 is 14, not 18. Strings hijack the expression. Res +5 + 2 becomes res 52, because once a string enters, everything joins it. Use brackets if you want math, not surprises. Res +5 + 2 forces the answer to 7. Exam reality. Most students don't fail concepts. They fail carelessness. Slow down, read operators, and predict the data type before calculating. Prefix versus postfix. Prefix changes the value first. Postfix uses the old value, then changes it. Mix this up, and your answer is dead. Data type decides the result. Integer division kills decimals instantly. If you expect fractions, use double. Short circuit is smart execution. And stops when false appears, or stops when true appears. Java doesn't waste time. Precedence is non-negotiable. Brackets first, assignment last. Ignore the hierarchy and you're guessing, not programming. Dry run like a machine. Track every value step by step on paper. Mental math is where careless mistakes breed. Bottom line, students who master operators don't memorize. They trace, predict, and verify.